If your computer feels slow, or something is not working properly, your drivers may need an update. In this video, I will show you a simple way to update drivers in Windows 11. Let us get started. First, click the Start button. Then open Settings. On the left side, select Windows Update. If updates are available, click Download and install. Next, scroll down a little. Click Advanced Options. Select Optional Updates. Now choose Driver Updates. Here you will see available driver updates. Select the drivers you want to install. Then click Download and install. Wait while Windows installs the updates. This may take a few minutes. When it finishes, restart your computer. After restarting, your drivers will be up to date. That is all. Keeping drivers updated helps your computer run smoothly and safely. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy Windows 11 tutorials, and feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.